everybody, welcome to
Hello
examsavvy.com.
everybody, welcome to
Examsavvy
examsavvy.com.
is a site that does all the
Examsavvy is a
information
site that has
related to
all the information
examinations,
related to examinations,
scholarships,
scholarships,
educational loans, and so
fellowships,
on.
educational
So if
loans,
you
and
are an
so on.
academic or an intellectual, maybe you will
So
have
if
to
you are an
visit the site
academic or an
often.
intellectual, maybe
This
you will have to
video is
visit the
about
site
to explain
often.
to you
This
everything
video is
about
about to explain to you
great
everything
campaign,
about Fujitsu
master
scholarship
scholarships
program
for
for
Indian students
Asia
at
Pacific
University
region
of
applicants
Nottingham
in
in
United
UK. So
States of
what
America.
exactly is
So what
great
exactly is
campaign? Master scholarships for
Fujitsu
Indian students
scholarship
at
program for
University of
Asia Pacific
Nottingham
region
in
applicants in
UK, the
US?
University of
The
Nottingham in
Fujitsu
United Kingdom and British Councils
Limited
great
has
campaign are
established the
offering
Fujitsu
master
scholarship
scholarships for the
program in
Indian
the year
students.
1985
They are
to
providing around
commemorate
5
its
scholarships
50th
of
anniversary of the
50%
founding. The
reduction in
main
the
aim
tuition
of the
fee.
Fujitsu
The
scholarship program
applicants
is to
must
strengthen the
already
relationships
hold an
between the
offer of
different
study
countries and
to
students
pursue
of
the
Asia
full-time master's
Pacific regions
degree program at the University of
of the
Nottingham
world.
in the
The
United Kingdom.
initiative
In the
opportunity for the
September
people
intake
of
on one of the courses
Asia
selected,
Pacific
the
region to
applications
contribute
have
to
to
the
be sent
United
before
States
the deadlines. The
helps to
University of
deepen the
Nottingham
relationship
join
and
hands
stop the
to work
barriers
with British
between the
councils.
different
Great
countries by
campaign by
studying
offering
different
scholarships to the
values,
students from
global
India. The
business,
applications
and
for the courses
cultures.
need to
The
be submitted
Fujitsu
at least
scholarship program has thus
6 weeks before closing date. So the
many
admissions
professionals from
office
various
consists of
countries to study
time to process the
cross-cultural
application and
management at
confirm the offer
James,
to the
the
successful
Japan
students.
America
Any
Institute of
application
Management
submitted
Science in
later than
Hawaii
6
in
weeks is
USA.
not guaranteed
The
to be
participants
processed.
involve themselves to
So
global
what exactly
management
is a
program
great
to enhance
campaign
their
master scholarships
skills
for
and
Indian
knowledge,
students?
and thereby
The
building
University
the
of Nottingham in
confidence in
United Kingdom
handling the
and British
global
Council's
management
great campaign are
situations
offering
for their success.
master scholarships for the
So
Indian
what
students. They are
exactly is
providing around 5
Fujitsu
scholarships
scholarship
for
program
50%
for
reduction in
Asia
the tuition
Pacific
fee.
region
The applicants
applicants
must
in
already
USA?
hold
The
an offer
Fujitsu
of study
Limited
to
has
pursue the
established the
full-time
Fujitsu
master's degree
scholarship program in
program
the
at the
year
University of
of
Nottingham in the United
1985 to
Kingdom. In the September
commemorate
intake
its
in one of
50th
the
anniversary
courses
of the
selected, the
founding. The main
applications
aim
have to
of
be
the
sent
Fujitsu
before the deadlines.
scholarship
The
program
University
is to
of
strengthen the
Nottingham join
relationships
hands to
between
work
the
with the
different
British
countries
councils.
and the
Great
students of
campaign by
Asia
offering
Pacific regions
scholarships
of
to
the
the
world. The
students from
initiative
India. The
opportunity
applications
for the
from the
people
courses
of
need to be
Asia
submitted
Pacific
at
region to
least 6
contribute to
weeks
the
before
United
the
States
closing
helps to
date, so
deepen the
that the
relationship and stop the barriers
admission
between the
offers
different
consists
countries
of
by
time to
studying
process
different values,
consists
global
enough
business,
time to
and the
process the
cultures.
application and
The
confirm the
Fujitsu
offer to
scholarship
the
program
successful
has thus
students.
enabled many
Study
professionals from
subjects.
various
The
countries to
scholarships are
study
provided for
cross-cultural
the following
management
degrees:
at
LLM,
James, the
International Law
Japan
and Development,
America
MSc
Institute
for
of
Master
Management
of Science,
Science
Food
in Hawaii in
Production and
USA.
Management, MSc, Master of
The
Science,
participants
Advanced
involve
Computing
themselves to
Science,
global
Master of Science,
management
Economics and
program to
International
enhance their skills and
Economics,
knowledge,
Master
and
of Science,
thereby building the
Entrepreneurship, MBA,
confidence in handling the
Entrepreneurship,
global
MSc,
management situations
Mechanical
for their
Engineering at the
success.
University of Nottingham in the
Now let's take
United
a look at the
Kingdom.
study
Study
subjects.
subjects. The scholarships are provided for the following degree programs: LLM,
The Fujitsu
International
scholarship
Law
is
and
provided for the
Development, MSc, Master of Science,
post-graduation
Food Production and
education and the
Management, Master of
innovation
Science,
and knowledge
Advanced Computing
cross-cultural
Science,
management
Master of
training
Science,
program
Economics
at
and
the James, the
International
Japan
Economics, Master of
American
Science,
Institute of Management
Entrepreneurship,
Studies, Hawaii,
MBA,
USA.
Entrepreneurship, Master of Science, Mechanical
Study
Engineering at
subjects.
the
The
University
Fujitsu
of
scholarship
Nottingham
is
in the
provided for
United
the
Kingdom.
post-graduation education and the
Course
innovation and
level. The
knowledge
scholarships are
cross-cultural
available for the
management
candidates to
training
pursue
program
master's
at
degree
James,
level
the
at the
Japan
University of Nottingham, United
American
Kingdom.
Institute of
The
Management Studies,
scholarships are
Hawaii,
available for
United
the
States of
candidates to
America.
pursue
Now
master's
let's take a
degree
look at the
level at the
course level.
University of
The
Nottingham,
Fujitsu
United Kingdom.
scholarship program is available
Scholarship
for the
provided.
students
The
to pursue
scholarship provider is the
post-graduation level
University
of
of
study.
Nottingham, United Kingdom.
Here,
Scholarship can be taken
the
in United
Fujitsu
Kingdom.
scholarship program is
Eligibility
available for the
criteria. The
students to
applicants can
pursue
apply for the
post-graduation
scholarship if
level
they
of study.
satisfy the following
Our
eligibility
scholarship
criteria. The
provider, as we
candidate
all
should
know,
be
the
a
scholarship
national
provider
or
is Fujitsu
permanently
James
domiciled
Foundation. The
of
scholarship can
India.
be taken in
India, the
United
candidate
States
should be
of
classified
America.
as an
Scholarship
overseas
open for
student for the
international students.
purposes.
The student applying for the
The
scholarship
candidate
should
should
be
not
a
either
resident of
be
Hawaii,
currently studying at
USA,
the
or should
University of
have been
Nottingham
from
or
the following
graduate or
countries:
graduate
China,
from the
Hong Kong,
university,
Indonesia,
the
Malaysia,
candidate should
Myanmar,
already
New
hold the
Zealand,
offer of
Singapore,
study
South
at the
Korea,
University of Nottingham,
Thailand, Taiwan,
United Kingdom to start the full-time
Philippines,
course of the master's or the master's degree
Cambodia,
during the
Laos,
September intake
Australia, and
on any
Vietnam.
of the mentioned courses. Eligibility
Students applying
criteria:
for the scholarship
the
should
candidate
be
should
a
be a
resident of
national or
Hawaii,
permanently domiciled
USA, or should
in
have been
India.
from the following
candidate should
countries
be
such as
classified as
China,
an overseas student
Hong
for
Kong,
the fee
Indonesia,
purposes.
Malaysia,
The candidate
Myanmar,
should
New
not
Zealand,
either
Singapore,
be
South Korea,
currently
Thailand,
studying at the University of
Taiwan, the
Nottingham
Philippines,
or a
Cambodia,
graduate from
Laos,
the
Australia, and
university. The
Vietnam.
candidate should
Duration of the work. The
already hold
duration
an
of the
offer of
program
study
is 3.5
at the
months.
University of
The
Nottingham,
program consists of
United
the
Kingdom to
curriculum.
start the
Duration
full-time
of the
course
program
on the
is
master's
3.5
degree
months.
during the September intake
Scholarship
on
coverage
any of the
amount. The
mentioned
Fujitsu
courses.
scholarship includes the
Scholarship open for
benefits
international
such as
students,
tuition
students
fees
of
of the
India,
Global Leaders
internationals
Innovation
can apply
Program,
for the
stipend
scholarship.
towards
Number
the
of
living
awards.
expenses,
The university is
accommodation
offering around 5
arrangements,
scholarships under
AFA
the
for
scheme.
the round
Duration
trip
of
travel
awards. The
to
scholarships will be provided
Japan
towards
and
the
other modules
tuition fees
of the program
reduction.
being conducted in
Scholarship
Japan,
coverage
Singapore, and
amount. The
Thailand.
scholarship provides
Scholarship
around 50%
coverage amount.
reduction
This
in the tuition
Fujitsu
fees.
scholarship includes
Scholarship coverage
benefits
amount. The
such as
scholarship provides
tuition
around
fees for the
50%
Global
reduction
Leaders
in the
Innovation
tuition fees.
Program stipend
Duration of the
towards
awards.
the living
scholarship will be
expenses,
provided towards the
accommodation
tuition
arrangements,
fees,
AFA for the round trip,
tuition fees
travel to
reduction.
Japan,
Let's
and
take a
other
look at the
modules of the
notification.
program being
candidates who are
conducted in
successful
Japan,
getting
Singapore,
the
and
scholarship
Thailand.
will be notified
Selection
within 6
criteria.
weeks
The
of the
selection
closing date of the
criteria
application.
has
candidates who are
given
successful
or
in
given
getting the
as
scholarships will
the
be
initial
notified
screening
within 6
depends on the
weeks
strength of the
closing date of the
application, which is
application.
meeting
how to
the
apply?
eligibility
The
requirements.
mode
Selection
of
is based on the
application is
proficiency of
through
English,
online.
experience
The mode of
in
application is through
work,
online.
motivation,
So I believe you have learned a lot
academic
about great
performance,
campaign,
goals
master
for the
scholarships
future,
for
has
Indian students
expressed
at
in the
University
interview
of
process an
Nottingham in
essay
United Kingdom.
and test scores. The
Thank you
key
for
factor in
watching.
the
More
selection
information,
criteria is the commitment to
techsmsavvy.com. Have a
contribute
great
to the
day.
mutual understanding and cooperation between countries to the development of his her home country. There are many other factors they consider for the selection of the candidate. Selection criteria. The selection criteria are the initial screening depends on the strength of the application, which is meeting the eligibility requirements. Selection is based on the proficiency of English, experience in work, motivation, academic performance, goals for the future as expressed in the interview process and essay, and test scores. The key factor in the selection criteria is the commitment to contribute to the mutual understanding and cooperation between countries and to development of her home country. There are many other factors they consider for the selection of the candidate. So how to apply? The application of the Global Leaders for Innovation and Knowledge Program, which with Fujitsu scholarship is registering through web, preparing the application documents, and the application documents should be sent to the concerned authorities. I believe you have learned a lot about Fujitsu scholarship program for Asia Pacific region applicants in USA. Thank you for watching. More information at examsavvy.com. Have a great day.